Hi students, good morning everybody. Today let us start algebraic formulae. It's the most important topic, algebra. Learn the formulas perfectly, then it will be easy. First formula we use in algebra is a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Square of binomial. Here this is one term, this is one term. Square of binomial is expanded as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So how did you get this? A plus b whole square means a plus b into a plus b. 2 times you have to multiply, right? Because it is whole square. Binomial versus binomial. So with a, multiply the whole term, a plus b into a plus b. Okay? A into a plus b and b into a plus b. Okay? So a into a square plus a into b, ab plus b into a, ba plus b into b, b square. A square plus ab plus, instead of ba we can write ab because they are all real numbers. Real numbers will satisfy commutative property. So instead of ba we can write ab plus b square. So a square plus ab how much? 2ab plus b square. So what is the formula for a plus b whole square? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay? Similarly, a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Instead of plus 2ab, take minus 2ab. Let us check once. How did you write a minus b whole square? A minus b into a minus b. Okay, 2 times you have to multiply. Now with a, multiply a minus b into a minus b. Okay, so a into a square minus ab minus ab minus into minus plus b square. When we multiply negatives also, minus into minus plus b square. So a square minus ab minus 2ab plus b square. So what is the formula for a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay? By using this formula we can find the square of real numbers, any number. Okay? I will tell you later the problems. First remember the formulas. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay? See this. That is first one and second one. Third one you see once. I am adding these two formulas. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. What happens? If you add these two, plus 2ab minus 2ab gets cancelled. A square plus a square, 2a square plus b square plus b square, 2b square. So I will take 2 common there. Right? So what is the formula for a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square? 2 of a square plus b square. Clear? Similarly, if I subtract a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square will be a square gets cancelled, b square gets cancelled, minus becomes plus. So 2ab plus 2ab. How much? 4ab. Or if I want this term first, a minus b whole square minus of a plus b whole square will be minus 4ab. Okay, minus 4ab. Similarly, so did you understand this? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square equal to 2 of a square plus b square. A plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square. If you subtract this one from this one, you will get 4ab. Suppose if I want a minus b whole square minus of a plus b whole square, this minus 4ab. Okay. Similarly, important formula is a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b, or a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay, this is the main important formula. Similarly, instead of b, if I take 1 by a, what is the formula of a plus 1 by a whole square? Instead of b, put 1 by a. A plus b means I am writing 1 by a. Then formula becomes a square plus 2a. b means I am writing 1 by a plus b square means what? 1 by a square. Because b value 1 by a, b square means 1 by a square. A gets cancelled. So what is the formula for this? A square plus 2 plus 1 by a square. Similarly, a minus 1 by a whole square also you can write a square minus 2 plus 1 by a square, because a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now I am adding these two, 8th formula, a plus 1 by a whole square plus a minus 1 by a whole square. I am adding these two values now. Then what happens, you know, 2 gets cancelled, plus 2 minus 2. Then you have 2a square plus 2 1 by a square. So I am taking 2 common, a square plus 1 by a square. Will be useful in the problems, okay? Otherwise here you see a plus 1 by a whole square plus a minus 1 by a whole square equal to 2 of a square plus b square means I am writing 1 by a square. Okay. Similarly, if I subtract 1 by a whole square plus minus 1 by a minus 1 by a whole square equal to 4ab. 4ab means 1 by a cancel, will be 4. Or if I want this as first term, a minus 1 by a whole square minus a plus 1 by a whole square equal to minus 4. 10th formula, square of trinomial a plus b plus c whole square. Very important. Okay. So these are all square of binomials. So this is square of trinomial. So a square plus b square plus c square plus, easy to remember the formula. I will take like this, a, b, c, cyclic order, a, b, c, a, b, b, c, c, a. So 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, cyclic order, easy to remember. Okay, a plus b plus c whole square equal to square of trinomial a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Okay, first these are the main 10 formulas in the algebra. Some more are there, cubes are there, that will be taken in the next class. Okay, thank you.